How to use customized keyboard size or transparency on Samsung Galaxy S26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. You will see general management is here, so click on general management. Scroll down and click on Samsung keyboard settings. So after click on Samsung keyboard settings, scroll down and you will see size and transparency is here. So click on size and transparency. So if you want to customize keyboard size and transparency, so you will see customize size and transparency. So after customization, click on done. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can customize keyboard size or transparency on Samsung Galaxy S26. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.